everyone, welcome to Android Wizardry. I'm your guide Ravi and I'm thrilled to have you here today as we kick off this brand new YouTube channel dedicated to all things Android app development. Here at Android Wizardry, we are all about diving deep into the magic of Android development, breaking down complex concepts and making it fun and easy for you to create amazing Android apps. So, what's the plan? We are going to start at the very beginning. No prior experience required, whether you are a complete newbie or someone looking to brush up on their skills. This channel is for you. We are kicking things off with Android development using Java. Why Java? Well, Java is the foundation of Android development. It's powerful, versatile, and still widely used in the industry. If you want to understand Android from the ground up, this is where you start. After we have got a solid handle on Java, we will transition into Android with Kotlin. Kotlin is the official language for Android development and has quickly become go-to for many developers. It is modern, concise, and designed to solve some of the complex challenges we face with Java. We will explore how Kotlin can make your code cleaner, safer, and more efficient. And once we have mastered Kotlin, we are going to move on to something really exciting, Jetpack Compose. Jetpack Compose is the future of Android UI development. It is a completely new way of building user interfaces in a more intuitive and declarative way. We will cover everything from the basics to advanced topics, so by the end you will be able to create stunning and responsive UIs with ease. But that's just the beginning. As the channel grows, we will dive into more advanced topics, frameworks, and tools. But we will be starting with these core areas. My goal is to have you become a confident and skilled Android developer. So whether you are looking to build your first app, switch careers, or to just level up your Android development skills, you are in the right place. I can't wait to start this journey with you. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of the upcoming tutorials.